Hi friends, this video shows how to unpair and pair remote controller. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Go down, select remotes and accessories. And here you can see Google TV remote. First I am going to unpair. Select Google TV remote, select forget. Select yes. Done. See, after that this remote is not working. See, I am not able to pair it, this remote again. So I will show you how we can pair. Here in this device you can see one reset button here over here. This reset button we need to press and hold. Let me press and hold reset button. When you see this searching for accessories, and that point you have to release the button. Okay, then you can take this remote controller, then press and hold this back and home button together. So these two buttons we need to press and hold, back and home button. And there will be this light here. Here you can see the light. See, now here on the right side you can see Google TV remote. Using this reset button we need to select that Google TV remote. It's automatically paired. See, now this remote is working. See, so this way we can unpair and pair remote. You can try this. If you see multiple Bluetooth devices in the result, you can use this reset button again and select Google TV remote. Then you have to press and hold this reset button to confirm the selection. So that way you can select Google TV remote from the list if you are seeing multiple remote in the search result. Okay, so you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.